I'm going to record the homework 2 video. So I go to document server and go to my home page. This is my home page. So let's click the homework 2, follow the link to the homework 2. As you can see, this is the interface of the math game. So the key shows here, and this is a destination. And we have 5 buttons here and a replay button here. So let's talk step by step. For event function, we can choose from 0 to 8, which is the event number. If I choose 2, there's a 2 event here. If I choose 6, and there's a 6 here. The next button is the difficulty settings, and we have 4 levels of the difficulty. So if I click easy, it will show the easy mode, and the medium, hard, and the extreme. I will demo on easy mode for time constraint. So let's get started. We have 2 special functionality in this math game. If I active the fog mode, there's a fog cover on the map. It prevents us from seeing the path to the destination. For example, I go to this place and turn on fog mode. It can show perfectly. And when I turn off the fog mode, it won't change the map. When I at the edge of the map, it will only show 3x2 grid. When I go to the middle of the map, it will show 3x3, and when I at the start point, it will show 1x2. The other functionality is record, which intuitive is record the path that user travel in this map. Let me show you this functionality. When I didn't record the path, I click this replay button, you will get a warning from the system. The other functionality is record button. When there is nothing in record mode and you click the replay button, you will get a warning from the system. You have to activate the record button first when you want to record the traversal path. Let's demo this function. I go to here and click the replay button. You can see a record and a replay button perfectly work. Next part, I'm going to demo the record and replay button in the fog mode. I activate fog mode first and click the record button and work a few steps, then click the replay button. You can see the record and replay button also work perfectly in the fog mode. Next part, I'm going to demo event function. So we have four kinds of event, which is enhance vision, restrict vision, world pass, and return to start. Since the event is distributed randomly, it will take a lot of time to try one by one, so I already edited a video for demo convenience. So let's go to event function demo. We trigger an event, it goes back to the start point. When event is triggered, the dice will disappear when I go to this position, and since we go back to the start point, we have teleport to the start point. Let's demo the next event. When in the fog mode and we trigger the enhanced vision, so the next 3 steps, our vision grid will increase by 5 times 5, so it gets bigger, and after 3 steps, we become to the original vision, and vice versa. We trigger the event restrict vision, so the next 5 steps, our vision grid will decrease to 1 by 1. After 5 steps, we can become to our original vision grid. This kind of event allow user to pass the wall for one time. I'm going to go to this place, use the event effect. As you can see, I can walk past to the wall. So this is my homework 2 demonstration. Thank you for your attention.